Hello kids, today we are going to learn about has, have, and had. These are helping verbs. Let's start. I, you, we, they use have. He, she, it use has. For the past, we use had. Easy to remember, right? Now let's look at singular subjects. He has a toy. He takes has. She has a doll. She takes has. It has a tail. It also takes has. So remember, he, she, it has. Look, I have a pencil. We use have with I. You have a bag. We also use have with you. We have a ball. We use have with we. They have a cat. And we use have with they. So remember, I, you, we, they, have. Now let's talk about the past. When something happened before, we use had. I had a sandwich. That means I ate it before. She had a test. The test already happened. They had fun. It happened yesterday or earlier. So, in the past, everyone uses had. Say it with me. I have. You have. We have. They have. He has. She has. It has. And in the past, everyone had. Fantastic work, super learners! Now you know how to use has, have, and had. See you in the next lesson.